Hello everyone. Today's topic is about screen time. Many parents keep asking me how do I reduce screen time with my child, because there is no school now for within the age of, even for the preschool children there is no school, the child to get engaged with the activities. Also the parents also might be like the entire day what to do with the child, so automatically the screen time has increased, and knowing no, it doesn't help the child much, rather it harms the child's growth and development. So many parents would like to know how they can reduce the screen time with their child. So first and foremost thing is, the parents who have just born to within the age of 2 years, I would say that if you have not given a chance, opportunity for the child to use the mobile, or not shown the screen as television or laptop, anything, please restrict yourself from that. The thing is, like, within the age of 2 years, it is the most, I would say, that for all round development, physical, emotional, social, cognitive, all round development, the very precious years. So what happens during the screen time is, it's more of colorful picture, and music is loud, and mainly we all get addicted to the screen, is basically for entertainment, fun, and probably for knowledge as well. But for a very small child, if the parents have thought that my child can say the rhyme story, so let me give the child has started speaking very fast, because the rhymes or stories what the child listens or sees has improved my child's way of talking. So, but I would say that once the child gets habituated to the screen time, regular class or regular reading book, or attending the class where there is like one person, there is a still time, like it is not moving as in the screen time, how the mobile, or when they're playing the game or watching a cartoon, it's more of colorful, and the music, sound, background music is there. But when they listen to someone live, so there is no background music which is absent, so attention span of the child and to concentrate, it becomes really very difficult in the school. When they start going to the school, it becomes very difficult to sit in a place, because we might be wondering, like, the child sits while watching a screen, the child sits like blank time. It is not, probably few parents would say if they're playing the game, they're using the hands and doing it. But again, the game, what they are going to play also has an influence. At the same time, though they are involved in using the hands for the things, but limited number of, because again music is there, sound is there, at the same time the colorful picture which is harmful for the child. Again, all these things is not a good factor for child's development. So we would say that within the age of really 2 years, don't expose. I have seen many a time small children, even for a 1.5 year old, would imitate how the parents talks over the phone, holding like even the palm holding like this and talking and going, or any object which they feel like it looks like a mobile, they would hold and walk. They know to scroll, they know to enter into the game. So it is like they know so many things, but it doesn't really help the child for overall development. So this is the age for them to explore. Give them the opportunity of music, play, then art and craft activity, many other, reading book to the child, many other activities which we have suggested in all of our other videos also. So it is the most foundation years for the child. So if you are giving screen time to the 2 years and above children, again not more than half an hour per day. Even half an hour also, you have to divide it as 10 minutes. If you look into the kids episodes, one cartoon wouldn't last, the one episode wouldn't last more than 10 minutes. So restrict your child for viewing only for 10 minutes and then give a break, and the child can watch another episode some other time, but on the whole within the age of 6 years, restrict the time not more than half an hour per day for screen time. I know for majority of the parents who have already got used to the child watching, the thing I would say that all of a sudden don't cut their 3 or 4 hours to half an hour. Slowly, day by day, week by week, like reduce from 3 hours to 2.5, 2 hours, 1.5, 1 hour, and then to half an hour. You know your child best, and you know what activities your child likes to do. So present within the age of early years, they look really for exploring the things, want to do the things. So give them the materials, be present, and give that quality time. Really helps in the long run for the child, because human to human interaction is very much important than just the mobile and screen time, because emotion is such an important aspect. If you look into nowadays scenario, wherein I would say that a lot of the games which has killing of the other person, I think there is no emotion when the other person dies also. So the emotional factor is really ruined. So please utilize this time early years, not in giving the screen time to the child, rather engaging the child in fruitful activities.